Hello fellow mathematicians, let the trigonometry journey continue. Today we're going to be working with finding the hypotenuse. So the last video was about just finding the side lengths using trigonometry. We are still going to use my no-fail method. Again, I really recommend you do this because I can't stand when students guess the rule that's supposed to be using. You don't need to guess with this method. So just to remind you that the SO stands for sine theta. It's not sin. Sin is what you commit. It's sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse, and TOA is tan theta is opposite over adjacent. So at the top of every page I really do want you to write SO, CAR, TOA because then it's a quick reference. So we're going to follow the same steps. This is example 1. You're going to label your triangle. So this is theta, that's the hypotenuse, adjacent, and that's the opposite side. So again, if you want to draw on it, that's fine. Write down what you know. So I know theta, so I know the angle, I know adjacent, and what I'm trying to find is the hypotenuse. Okay, next step is to write the rule. So that matches with cos theta, so cos theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Write the rule every time. Now I'm going to sub the value. So sub the value, cos theta equals 72 degrees equals adjacent equals 8, and the hypotenuse is what I'm trying to find. Now in our last video the unknown was on the top and then you just had to times by h to get rid of it. So this is a bit trickier with algebra, but it's the same sort of concept. I am trying to get 8 by itself, trying to get h by itself. I am just going to go through the same process so you can see how it works. So I'm going to multiply both sides by h. That cancels out and you get h cos 72 equals 8. Now because they're next to each other, that's times. Again, how do I get h by itself? I do the inverse of timesing, which is dividing by cos 72. Law of the universe says whatever you do to one side, you must do the other. So what you're left with is hypotenuse equals 8 over cos 72. It depends on your calculator whether that works. So effectively, hopefully you can see what's really happened is they've swapped. So I want you to feel comfortable with algebra, but effectively it swapped. So just put that in your calculator. So I've put it in the calculator. Please notice that means fraction means divide. So when I put it in the calculator, it's 8 divided by cos 72, and I pressed equals, and it's 25.88, whatever it is. We're rounding to one decimal place, so that's about 25.9. What is the units? Centimetres. So I'm going to do example 2, following exactly the same process. Label it, so it's drawn. Now we're labeling it. That's theta, opposite, hypotenuse and adjacent. Write down what you know. I know the angle, I know the opposite, and I am trying to find the hypotenuse. So OH, the only thing that's got O and H in it is sine theta. Write down the rule. Sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. Now effectively I can swap these two things and I would get h equals O opposite over sine theta. Again, I'm going to show you algebraically. sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse times by h, and now I'm going to divide by sine theta to get rid of that. That divided by that is 1. Whatever I do to one side I must do the other, and you are left with h equals opposite over sine theta. Now you know why I like to write with a p, because otherwise it looks like my theta. You can sub values first if you wish, but I'm an old chemistry teacher, so I like rearranging my formula first. So hypotenuse equals, what is opposite? So I'll just look, 5 centimeters. Sine theta is sine, what is it, 30 degrees. Grab your U-Butte concavator. So I've put it in the calculator and I get 10 centimeters, because that's what the units are. I highly advise you still use my strategy to make sure you are not guessing, and then I do not mind if you just swap, as long as you put the arrow there to remind yourself. I do want the rule written every single time, and then sub the value and then calculate. Really important to get that process down pat, and you should have no hassles at all attempting any of the problems.